Today's video is very kindly sponsored by Care of, and I will talk about them more later on in the video. So to start the day, I had a nice cup of black coffee as usual. This is my daily routine, making myself a very nice cup of coffee. And you guys know I've been intermittent fasting on and off, and on this day I broke my fast at 11 a.m. and for breakfast I decided to have some homemade granola with soy milk and half a banana. I do have the granola recipe linked down below if you guys are interested. I was still hungry after the granola, so I decided to have some buckwheat noodles. I have to get in my savoriness for breakfast, you guys know. So I love buckwheat noodles because they are healthy, they cook very quickly, usually within 5 minutes, and they are super delicious. After the buckwheat noodles have cooked, I like to rinse mine with cold water so that the noodles are cold. And I had mine with some edamame beans, and I also had some leftover extra soft tofu. The tofu looks all, mushed up, but that's because it's extra soft, and it was sitting in my container. For the sauce, I have this yummy soba noodle dipping sauce that I made a while back, and I just keep a big jar of it in the fridge, and anytime I want to have soba noodles, I just take it out, and I'm just having my soba noodles with this dipping sauce. I added a little bit of ginger in the dipping sauce, and then I'm just gonna dip my noodles. So I'm gonna link where I got the recipe for this sauce in the description box below. Of course, I also had a side of vegan kimchi with the noodles, and yes, I do have a vegan kimchi recipe. I'll link that below as well, of course. That is my mom's authentic vegan kimchi recipe that you must try. After breakfast, it is a great time to take my vitamins, and as I mentioned in the beginning, this video is kindly sponsored by Care of. And Care of is a vitamin and supplement company that makes personalized daily vitamin and supplement packs. These little packs are personalized to your needs and have the supplements that you need for the day, and they also have your name on it and comes with a cute little quote or challenge. All you have to do is go on their website and fill out a quick quiz, which will ask you questions about your lifestyle, what you're looking for in terms of your health, your fitness goals, and more. And that's going to give you a list of recommended vitamins and supplements which you can choose from. I love this because I often forget to take my vitamins and supplements, and if I have this box on my counter, I can easily remind myself to take them. And since I follow a plant-based diet, it's important for me to take my B12 for optimal function. So this is a great way for me to remember to take my B12, as well as any other important vitamins like veggie omega-3s that are also in my packs. Also, I love the fact that they really support a busy and on-the-go lifestyle because these are so quick to grab and go, especially on a busy day. Let's say I forgot to take my vitamins after breakfast. I can take one of these packs and have the vitamins later on with lunch. So if you guys are interested in joining Care of, all you have to do is click the link below and take the very quick quiz, which will give you the list of personalized vitamins and supplements, and you can use the code ROSE, which will get you 25% off your first month. So don't forget to check them out, guys. Thank you so much to Care of for sponsoring today's video. So this was a particularly busy day. I was running from one thing to the next, and then I went for a workout, and I didn't have time to eat lunch until about 5 o'clock. I had lunch at my vegan cafe. I eat there quite often when I don't have time to cook at home, and I had the tofu veggie rice bowl, which is a simple tofu veggie stir fry with a house-made Korean barbecue sauce, also known as bulgogi sauce. This is my mom's delicious sauce recipe, and I actually do have the recipe available on my YouTube channel, so I'll link that down below as well. For a snack, I had a protein smoothie with some water, kale, kiwi, half a banana, and a scoop of protein powder. I blended that up, and I realized that I forgot to add flax seeds. I've been trying to add flax seeds into all my smoothies for the health benefits, so I'm just going to add that in there and blend that up again. I don't know why I always seem to forget to add flax seeds into my smoothies, but better late than never. I ended up coming home later than expected because I had to get some work done at the cafe. For dinner, I had another little thing from my cafe. These are salad rolls wrapped in rice paper. I brought it home in a Tupperware container, so they kind of broke a little bit and exploded, but that's okay, it's still delicious. Lots of fresh veggies. Inside there's avocado, lettuce, cucumber, carrot, celery, peppers, along with some smoked tofu, and I just dip it in a delicious sweet chili sauce, and it's so yummy. I love these salad rolls. I finished that, and then I also had some almonds to finish off my dinner so I could get some more sustenance into my meal. So that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this very quick what I eat in a day on a typical busy day. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you are new to this channel, of course, don't forget to subscribe. And thank you so much to Care of once again for sponsoring today's video. Do not forget to check them out. Link is down below. Use the code ROSE for 25% off your first order. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!